put it onto our bowl and just form it around. We're gonna take our meat bowl. Come with me.
Can't cause me.
Guys, look at our beautiful winter wonderland. I love our cute decorations. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's get this into the freezer. We're just gonna let it chill just a bit and go on to our next step. We have our pre-made meatballs that are seasoned, and we're just going to take our mallet and press down. Next, we're gonna take our pizza cutter and just make one incision, 1/4 of the way. And then we're gonna fold over, down, and across. We're gonna repeat that 2 more times. And we have our last one. Perfect. Next, we're gonna take our cooked rice, go right into our frozen meat bowl. Next, we're gonna take our sauteed mushrooms. Oh, they smell so good. And of course, some spinach. And last, we have some sauteed vegetables. Yummy. So, I'm gonna make sure that's level. And we made a cheese sauce that looks so good. We're just gonna pour that right over our vegetables. Next, we're going to take our meat and cheese and we're gonna place it right on top. And pressing down just to make sure we get all this goodness in. Now we're gonna take a sheet tray, press down, give it a good flip. Whoa! And next, we're gonna take our puff pastry, go right on top. And we're just gonna form and shape it around our bowl. That looks good. We're gonna take it and go to the oven. So we're gonna place our tray right into the oven and close our oven. Perfect. Next, we're gonna take our milk and pour it right over our potatoes. And then we're gonna mash it with our fork. We're gonna take our mashed potatoes, just place it on some saran wrap. So we're just gonna finish pressing our mashed potatoes out and take it and just cover our puff pastry. So we're gonna finish forming our mashed potatoes. We're gonna peel back our plastic, and then we're gonna take our sweet potatoes and we're gonna pipe a line right down the middle. Perfect, and then we're gonna do 2 more lines. Do some zigzags. Pipe 4 dots right there. Our last tree, like so. We're gonna place our last scoop of mashed potatoes right on top. And take our beanie, place it over here. Our spinach mashed potatoes. We have our mashed spinach potatoes. And we're just going to put a glove right on top and fill it up. Like so. Oh. And then we're going to just toss it into our freezer. And it should take about 2 hours or something to fully set.
Take my hand.
Oh, I will take your hand. So now we have our glove frozen and ready to go. we're gonna take some flour and just coat both sides. Perfect. And over other side. And make sure it's nice and covered. Give it a little shake for the excess. And then we're going to take our scrambled eggs and just pour all over. Like so. And once we've done that, we're going to take our first one, put it right into our breadcrumbs, and take some more breadcrumbs and just cover it. Perfect. And then we're gonna shake it and go right into our hot oil. Go into our hot pot. Take out our
Can't
glove.
cosmic.
Next, I'm gonna tell you guys why I love eggs. I adore eggs. I can't get enough of eggs. After, we're gonna take some milk, pour it right over all of our eggs. Oh. Take some flour. Oh, that's heavy. And just shake it right in on top of our eggs and milk. Don't need that anymore. Do you guys want to show? I'll give you a show. Right this way. Hurry up, hurry up. Here we go. Perfect, perfect. I need you a little bit more this way. No, come back towards me. Oh, perfect. Right there. You can lower our dough right there. Oh, look at that pour. Oh, I'm just gonna grab my knife and I'm gonna cut a section. Oh, man. Thank you. I'm gonna take this dough and pow! Next, we're gonna take a rolling pin, make some indentions, and then we're going to roll out our dough. So we're gonna keep rolling out our beautiful brioche dough. Perfect. And then I'm gonna take a bicycle cutter to start cutting about 2 centimeters. We're finishing where we left off with our last incision. So we're gonna make our last cut like so. Then I'm gonna show you guys a cool little trick. We're gonna take our first piece and our second piece. We're gonna pull our second piece over our first piece and start to weave it. And then we're gonna take our next piece and pull it under. And then we're gonna keep going with this pattern. It's really cool because it's like a knitting and anyone can do it. Then we're gonna take our 3 braids, press one right here, press the second one right there, the third one, which is tassel the end of our scarf and pinch together the end. Perfect. Then we're gonna take beautiful woven braid. So we're just going to place our second braid to meet our first one. And it's almost ready for baking. We have some beautiful eggs. Just going to mix them up for some egg wash. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I can't wait for this to come out of the oven. We're gonna finish our egg wash. Then we're going to take some black sesame. And we're just going to sprinkle it all over our bread. Beautiful. And we're going to go to the oven. Look at that, guys. We're going to go right into our preheated oven. Be careful. And that's our last piece to this beautiful, amazing winter dish. If you want this recipe and others just like it, check us out at chefclub.tv. See you next time.